Hi guys, and welcome to another fun video. Today I'll be dyeing my hair brown, and I will be using Ion despite me saying that, I don't know, I kind of have issues with it not going very far and just being really thick and I don't know, just not really having a very stretchy consistency. I like the more watery ones that just cover more. But they do have a new line, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Inspired by nature, and I got it in the shade Dark Honey Brown. It's ammonia-free, permanent cream hair color with grapeseed and 100% pistachio, almond, and avocado oils. And it's also infused with sunflower oil and chamomile extract. And it came out like a pinkish color, which is on this side. And it smells a lot like cucumber, which I felt was interesting because there's nothing about cucumber on the list. It's starting to turn like a weird brownish color now, but when I first got it out, yeah, it was like that light pink color. And then on the other side, I just have a normal Ion one, because I just have a box full of dye, so I'm just gonna start with the natural one and then go into this one, and hopefully that'll be enough. However, if not, I'll just run to Sally's with purple and pink ends, or maybe I'll just leave the purple and pink ends, we'll see. But this is just their normal one in medium intense brown, no fancy oils, no nothing, but we'll see. I'm gonna mix them with an equal amount of volume 10 developer and get started. And yeah, hopefully both sides turn out the same color. I'm worried because this side is significantly darker, especially at the ends, that it won't turn out the same color brown. So I'll have super dark brown and then just dark brown. Do you know what I mean? So wish me luck. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm back. I have both sides mixed. I put a little extra developer in it to hopefully make it just a little bit more watery. Maybe it'll stretch a little further. I don't know if that'll mess it up. I've never done that before, but we'll see. I have a towel, gloves, a comb, even though I don't really think I'll be using it. And yeah, I think that's all that we need. So let's get started. I usually just start with the roots. And it turned out to be a weird dark tannish color, but yeah. Yeah, that goes on a lot better like that. I'm just gonna speed this part up. I'll be back. So I'm back and I'm cleaned up for the most part. I actually do have a few little stains that I cannot get off, which usually never happens. I have a little one on my wrist. It looks almost like a little birthmark or something. But yeah, I have a bridal shower to go to tomorrow, so hopefully foundation will cover this up. You can't really see them. Okay, yeah. See there's a line and a dot, a dot, and a dot. And there's a line right here. And right here too, for some reason. Maybe I should have tried to contour with it. I don't know. But anyways, so I've got it all up in a bag in a bun, and I'm gonna sit here for 40 minutes before washing it. So I'll be back after it's washed. Hey guys, I'm back. I left it in for about 30 minutes and then washed it out. Left it in a braid with some Olaplex, and this is what I got this morning. It's now the afternoon. And it is not honey brown or whatever it was. It's not medium intense brown. It turned out black. And I don't think it's the dye's fault. I think that maybe my hair was just really porous and just really, really, really took it in and just like, you know, got super pigmented, like to the fact that it turned into a different color. And especially considering I used two dyes, because I used medium intense brown and then the honey whatever one on the top, and they both turned out black. So like I said, I think it's just because I've lightened my hair so much, and even though I used a 10 developer, maybe if a 5 existed, that would have been the best bet. Also, if I hold my flashlight from my phone up to it on like the brightest setting, I see like tones of brown in it. So I'm really hoping that when I shower and maybe use like Head and Shoulders, that a lot of this will wash out into like a lighter brown like it was supposed to be. I don't hate the black, it's just that I hate the black when I don't have makeup on, if that makes sense. Like right now I think it looks really nice. I think it looks nice in my outfit. Like with my makeup, like my face looks good, everything looks nice. However, when I take my makeup off, I feel like I look very witchy. I don't even know why, like, I don't know. It just, trust me. But yeah, so anyways, this is the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna be doing my makeup a lot more now, so my morning routine just got a little bit more, complex, I guess, but thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!